Transform your kitchen with EagleRidge. Looking to transform your kitchen? At EagleRidge, we specialize in kitchen remodeling and renovation in Lindon, Utah, making your space both more functional and beautiful. Whether you need a complete renovation, a custom makeover, or just a fresh upgrade, we bring your dream kitchen to life. We offer a full range of kitchen services, from custom cabinetry and countertop installation to flooring, lighting, and plumbing upgrades. With our expert team of designers and contractors, we'll handle everything from layout planning to appliance installation. We even offer eco-friendly and energy-efficient solutions for a sustainable kitchen remodel. Planning a new kitchen construction? We also handle everything from kitchen additions to structural changes. With our advanced 3D design tools, you can see your kitchen transformation before we even begin. We'll ensure your kitchen not only looks stunning, but functions seamlessly. Plus, we offer complete project management, making sure your remodel stays on track, on time, and on budget. We pride ourselves on craftsmanship, attention to detail, and customer satisfaction. At EagleRidge, we turn your kitchen dreams into reality. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.